Quick hack to rank #1 on Google. Have you ever hit up a website and asked them to link to you? They probably ignored you. Random sites won't link to you, but you need these links to rank higher. And if you can't get them, you're pretty much going to struggle to rank really high in Google. Links are a currency like votes. In the US, when there's a presidential election, the person with the most votes generally wins. And I say generally because it's on a state-by-state basis and winner takes all. But generally speaking, the person who wins the most votes wins. The same goes with the internet. The more links you have, generally the higher you're going to rank. You don't need the most to get at the top, but you need enough. So what do you do if you can't get people to link to you? Well, focus on finding sites who link to multiple of your competitors is the key. If someone links to not 1, not 2, but 3 or more of your competitors, chances are they're willing to link to you because they're agnostic. They don't care about one competitor over another. They're willing to link to anyone in the space. But how do you find these sites that are linking to multiple competitors and convince them to link to you? Well, I want you to go to neilpatel.com/backlinks, okay? Put in your URL. When you pull in your URL, you'll see this backlinks report that shows your domain authority, how many links you have, who's linking to you, your link growth over time. In the left-hand navigation, click on backlinks opportunities. I want you to put in 2 of your competitors, if not 3 of your competitors. You can put either 2 or 3, that's up to you, and your domain. It'll show you who's linking to your competitors, either 2 or 3, depending on how many you put in, and not linking to you. In other words, they're linking to your competitors, but they're not linking to you. You want to look at each of the sites that link to multiple of your competitors, and it shows you which domains and which pages they're linking to on your competitor site. And if you have similar pages, hit that site up and say, hey, I have a similar page, but mine covers X, Y, and Z that theirs does not. Feel free and link to it here. It's that simple. Email out those sites. If you email out 100, I know that may seem like a lot, you should get over 14 links. That's a really good ratio. The key again is hit up sites that link to 3+ competitors and don't link to you because the chances are they're willing to link to you as well. Now, if you want help just doing this tactic, check out my ad agency NP Digital where we do it for our clients. Or if you have any questions on how to do it, leave a comment below. I'm here to help. If you like the video, share it, tell people about it, like it, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.